The ANWBROAD Watch Winder UJWW002F offers a practical solution for watch enthusiasts with its 4 winding slots and 6 additional storage compartments, making it ideal for organizing and protecting your timepieces. This model is equipped with a remarkably quiet motor, producing only 5 decibels of sound, ensuring that it operates silently without disturbing your piece, even during the night. The Watchwinder's sophisticated design features crazy horse leather and a built-in LED backlight, which not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also provides a modern display atmosphere. With its 4 distinct rotation modes, the UJWW002F caters to the specific needs of various automatic watches, ensuring that they remain in optimal condition and accurate at all times. The thoughtful design includes an anti-magnetic surface and a cover that pauses rotation when opened, adding an extra layer of protection and convenience for your watches. Packaged in high-quality PU leather, this watch winder makes a perfect gift for special occasions, offering both functionality and elegance to any watch collector's collection.